Brooches are the perfect accessory, and though timeless, sometimes difficult to find. I'm going to show you how to make your own inexpensively. All you'll need is ornate earrings, pin bars, small pliers, and a hot glue gun over. And now we're going to adhere them. And you're literally going to put it in the center of the earring. Or you can put it a little bit higher at the top. You just want to make sure that you don't go so high where the actual bar is showing on either side. You know, we don't want that look. You see, you can see it here and you can see it here. Okay. So now we're going to move on to adding the hot glue. And you're just going to put a small bead of hot glue on the back of your bar pen. And then you're going to place it, and this is the top. I want the bottom here. I want the bottom of the brooch here. So you're going to just place that there in the center. Okay. And you're going to apply a little pressure. And there you have it. Apply a little pressure. And it'll, of course, dry on its own. And there you have it. Okay, so I'll do one more. Like I said, we're going to remove the adhesive strip from the back of the bar pen because we don't need that. Oh, good. This one moved. Not moved, came off pretty easily. Okay. Alrighty. And so, okay, sorry about that. So that clears the pen, as you can see. Or clears the bar. Okay, so we'll do the red one. And so we want to adhere it to the back, okay? And we're going to take a small bead of glue because we don't necessarily want it to bleed out, okay? Okay. And then we're going to just simply place it in the center. And before it dries, you can kind of adjust it how you need. It dries quickly, though. As you know, hot glue dries very quickly. So you kind of have to move it because you want it perfectly centered. And there you have it. Okay. And, of course, it opens. So you can put it in the way you need to. And then it closes back how it needs to. Okay, now, so that's that. And then what I wanted to show is you literally can remove the back. You can remove the back with this same tool, or you can actually use the cutters, the wire cutters, and you could just snap that off. Okay, and I'm not going to do that now. But once you snap it off, you're going to utilize the jump rings that you removed. Move this one up. You're going to utilize that same jump ring. And you can add one in both areas. You can add one here and you can add one here. And actually, I wouldn't even remove this. Because this is how you're going to connect this to your clothing. So you're going to just push it through, and then on the back side of your garment, you're going to push in the clear earring back that came with it. Okay. So once you place the two jump rings on those on either end, then you literally can place a small chain And like I said, I probably will do this in a separate video. But the chain is going to go from here to here. And so it'll appear kind of like this or like this on your clothing with the chain hanging. Okay? And so you have the back here that you attached, and then you have this item, because you don't necessarily want to use another one of these. It's too wide anyway. So just leave the back on. And then you just place on the other side of your clothing, you just place the back, the clear back there. Okay? And it's that simple. And I'll try to insert a picture of a brooch with the small piece. So anyway, it's that simple.